Food Components Part 3. Every food item contains all the components of food, but some components may be more while some may be less. We require different quantities of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats according to age and need of individuals. Growing children need more protein containing food like milk, pulses, etc. We also need minute quantities of some other components called vitamins and minerals to keep them healthy. The next topic is roughages or dietary fibers. There are some components of food that are necessary for our body called roughages or dietary fibers.
Roughages in some food items. See here, collect some vegetables like ribbed gourd, bunch of beans, lady's finger or some boiled potato, etc. Break them or crush them into pieces and observe.
Do you find some fine strands or threads like structures in ribbed gourd, snake gourd and beans? What are these strands called? You can also observe these strands in banana and pumpkin. Roughages are a kind of carbohydrates that our body fails to digest. They help in free bowel movement in the digestive tract and prevent constipation. Sources of roughages: bran, shredded wheat, cereals, fruits and vegetables, sweet and plain potato, peas and berries, pumpkins, palak, apple, banana, papaya and many kind of beans are the sources of roughages. We must take care to include sufficient fiber food in our daily diet. Children, generally we have a habit of eating some fruits without peels. Like we eat banana without peel, but fruits like apples, grapes are eaten along with peels. Most of the vegetables are also used along with peels. Sometimes we make some special dishes like chutney with peels. So don't peel or discard outer layers of fruits or vegetables. They are rich in nutrients. Peel contains fiber which helps in digestion. But nowadays farmers use many pesticides in the fields. They are very dangerous for our health. So we must wash fruits and vegetables with salt water thoroughly. Then only it becomes safe to eat along with peels. Next topic is water. Water is also an essential component needed by our body. We should drink sufficient water. Do you know we also get water from fruits and vegetables also? Most of the fruits and vegetables contain water. Observe the above vegetables and fruits and cut them. Can you find water in them? Most vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, kira and gourds contain water. And fruits also contain water like apples, papaya and melons. Why does our body need water? To know the use of water, here I am doing one activity. Take a piece of sponge and try to move it in a pipe. It moves with some difficulty. Remove the sponge from the pipe, dip it in water. and try to move it again in the pipe. It moves freely or smoothly. Why does it move freely? Water is food and it also helps the food to move easily in the digestive tract. Water helps in many other processes in our body as well. Hence, we must drink minimum of 6 to 8 glasses of water every day.